this video, we will discuss about cooking oil waste management, starting from how to collect and store cooking oil waste, collaborative cooking oil waste management in the environment you live in, to the steps of making recycled products from waste cooking oil, which is washing soap. This video will be explained to you by our mentor, Mrs. Nur Fasiha Maruf. So without any further ado, let's get started.
Hi, I'm Nur Fasiha Maruf from the RB Highcom University of Automotive Malaysia, that located in Pekan Pahang, Malaysia. So basically, my background is automotive engineering and my scope is vehicle inspection. But on how I'm involved with this environmental project, basically because from the result that get from my first project, from that project, it already motivated me and also encouraged me to give more knowledge and gain more knowledge, gain more skill, new knowledge and so whatever, to make sure our country and our world in a good condition. Just by doing a little bit of effort due on the waste management. So because of that, I'm doing it my own self, an experiment from my own self on how to make sure the waste management can be adapting in our normal life. So one of the project is cooking oil waste management. If you want to know more about it, come watch this video.
The use oil, if consumed repeatedly, can cause cancer, liver damage, kidney problems, and even lead us to suffer from depression. In addition, used oil can also cause obesity and raise cholesterol levels in the body. So, we need to avoid consuming used oil, especially those that have been used many times, okay? Many of us just throw the leftover frying oil into the trash, drains, to the ground. In fact, this activity really harms the environment around us because it can pollute the soil. Throwing the remaining oil down the drains is not a solution either. Oil that accumulates in waterways will block water flow and pollute the water. First, used cooking oil need to be filtered first to separate food scraps and oil. Use a filter that has a small hole, okay? Store the use in a thick and durable glass jar or tin. Avoid using tin plastic bottles because the plastic material expands faster and will dissolve into the oil. Now, we will try to make a recycled product using the leftover cooking oil waste. Follow the steps and it's so easy.
Thank you so much for staying tuned with this video. So I believe with this video, all of us have already general view on what is waste management. At least we know on how to manage our waste cooking oil. Make it as the waste to the well. Until we meet again, bye. Save our world.